Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of ln8 equals to capital A. Capital A, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So they should be like this. Next, I will put the limit going here. Now we just concentrate about this one only. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln(a) to the power of b equals to b ln (a). So capital A, that is about this one. Capital B, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. Next, this one I can put into the denominator. So they should be like this. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. For this one, we divide both sides by s on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0, 0. ln number 1 we have 0. That is about 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. Next, we need to do first derivative on numerator. And denominator. So this one I will change back into ln of s plus 6 minus ln of s plus 1 because we have the formula in here. ln a over b equals to ln a minus ln b. So we need to transform this one into this one. That's why we got this one in here. Now, if we do first derivative in here, we have 1 over s plus 6 minus 1 over s plus 1. This one, we have negative number 1 over s plus 4 to the power of 2. And now, this one will go to numerator. Because we have the negative, so we change the sign of this one. Next, we can do about factorization by s plus 4 to the power of 2. Next, we do common denominator for this one. About this one, we multiply by x plus 1. This one we have x plus 6. Now, negative x, positive x, we cancel. 6 minus 1, we have positive number 5. So this one, we need to expand. And this one, we need to expand. Next, we divide by x squared on numerator and denominator. So, when x approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. This one you got about 0, and so on in here. And now we have the final answer. And we have number 5. So the value of this limit in here, we have number 5. So we have e to the power of 5. So the value of this one, that is about e to the power of 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.